Greetings everyone, Jake Bernstein, Weekly Capital Markets Report. It's 10:20 a.m. Saturday, December the 15th in Santa Cruz, California. Welcome to the trading lesson for this week. One of the things that occurs to me and continues to occur to me over the years is this. There are so many methods, systems, strategies, indicators, patterns, formations, everything that you can imagine under the sun, and it gets worse as the information age and access to information via the internet becomes more accessible to everyone. There's way too much information out there. If we take a look at this chart, for example, with my work, S&P, if you understand my methods, you will see market sentiment is low, suggesting a bottom. Moving average channel remains bearish and has been bearish since here. On the other hand, a bullish divergence setup is developing, waiting for a trigger. And finally, the seasonal is very bullish, the so-called Santa Claus rally at this time of the year. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you watch CNBC, you'll hear commentator after commentator. Oh, what a great buying opportunity this is. Oh, the markets looks bad. We're going to have another financial crisis. Oh, not only that, interest rates are going to go up. No, interest rates are not going to go up, they're going to go down. It goes on and on all day. It's no wonder that the small trader, in fact, it's no wonder that many traders are totally confused. What advice can I give you? Remember, my goal in this business has been for many years to increase clarity and objectivity, not just for myself, but for you as well. How do you know which one of my indicators to use? You might say, well, Jake, you've got all the bases covered. You got the moving average channel. You got divergence. You got the 3x3. You got the 888. You got the seasonal. You got the COT. What the hell should I do? The answer, let me simplify it for you very, very clearly. Become a specialist, study my methods, and use the one or the ones that are consistently performing for you and ones that you enjoy doing. I'm a big fan of seasonals. I'm a big fan of divergence. Those are the ones that I use. I'm a big fan of the moving average channel swing trade, back and forth. Those are my favorites. But it may be different for you. It's like everything else in life. Find what you like to do. Determine what you like to do by, do you have the time to do it? Do you enjoy it? Do you understand it? And most of all in this business, is it making you money or saving you money? Then become a specialist. You know, lately, in order to cure my voice issues, I've been going to a lot of doctors. There's nothing seriously wrong with me. It's just that my voice is beginning to deteriorate because I'm getting older. That has to do with vocal folds. And so I've been getting a series of treatments to improve my voice quality. The more doctors I go to, the more hospitals I go to, the more I become convinced the real money is made in being a specialist. Specialize. When I go to my GP, my family physician, I'm in a room with a lot of people. Young people, old people, sick people, pregnant women, teenagers with pimples, people with orthopedic problems, everything under the sun. And that general practitioner, family physician is making a living, but not doing really well. I go to my ENT, or my otolaryngologist as they're called. There's very few people in the waiting room. Every procedure I have is billed to Medicare for $20,000 to $30,000. I've had a number of procedures. That's the person who's making the real money, the specialist. So I suggest to you this. Study my methods. Find the ones that make sense to you. Find the ones that you can do. Become a specialist. Don't be a generalist. Don't try to do everything. It's not going to work for you unless you've got staff, employees, and a whole lot of money. That's my lesson for today. Be a specialist. Do a few things well rather than many things poorly. Take my advice. I know what the hell I'm talking about. Thanks again. Have a great trading week, and best of holidays to everyone.